5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
This is About Space, America's return to space, with news and information on our U.S. space program. Is your host of About Space, David Denault.
Welcome and thanks for joining me today. A group of astronomers at Caltech have discovered two supermassive black holes that will collide and send ripples across our universe that could change time and space. I'll have that story next as America and the world is listening to About Space today. Ever dream of an island getaway at an all-inclusive resort? Or going on an island-hopping cruise to multiple island destinations? See sun-bleached beaches and swim in the azure waters of the Caribbean Sea. Call today for your special discount prices to your island getaway. This is a special offer for About Space by calling 877-747-8631. And let's go and explore the islands of the Caribbean. Welcome back. Some scientists say it's a dance of death that's taking place at the heart of a galaxy in a distant universe. Some 9 billion light years away, two supermassive black holes are locked in an orbit so tight that they will collide with each other and form one much larger black hole and send ripples through the universe.
The research, led by a team of astronomers from the California Institute of Technology, found that two supermassive black holes, about 9 billion light-years away in deep space, orbit each other every 2 years. Each supermassive black hole has a mass hundreds of millions of times greater than the mass of our Sun. Furthermore, the two objects are relatively close to a distance of 1,950 astronomical units, about 50 times more than the distance between our Sun and Pluto. The two bodies are set to collide in a collision so intense that it will send gravitational waves through the fabric of space and time. The study, titled Unexpected Phenomena of PKS 2131021 Blazar, was the Astrophysical Journal Letters on Wednesday. The authors say that despite the fact that galaxy mergers are not rare, there are relatively few cases of two galaxies with supermassive black holes, SMBHs, in their nuclei being seen in the actual merger. Observed more than 45 years ago, is now the second known quasar with a pair of supermassive black holes set to merge. So how do two supermassive black holes merge? Normally when galaxies cluster together, their black holes are pulled toward the middle of the new adherent galaxy and eventually form a larger black hole. As black holes merge, their immense force disrupts the fabric of the universe with gravitational waves.
Scientists and astronomers are now focused on what may be a cosmic changing event when they do collide.
As can be expected, astronomers are racing to lock in telescope observation time in the coming weeks and months. Team member Huan Yang of the Perimeter Institute in Waterloo, Canada, says we've seen people acting pretty fast all over the planet. If the boom happens, says Emma Kuhn of Konkoly Observatory in Hungary, it will confirm many things. There should be a huge burst across the electromagnetic spectrum, from gamma rays to radio. Fabian has applied for time on NASA's Neutron Star X-ray telescope on the International Space Station. He says, if it's true, then it's important to get as many observations as possible now to see what it's doing.
About Space will continue to monitor this astronomical event. And join Dawn Meyer this Friday for another America in Space program, and have your family and friends join us each week. Follow us on Facebook at aboutspace.today for launches and landings. And to all our listeners around the globe and here in the U.S., thank you for joining me today. I'm David Denault, and this has been About Space Today.